Are you searching for the best telescoping ladder? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best telescoping ladder in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, VEVOR Telescoping Ladder. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2, OLOEY Telescopic Ladder Aluminium Folding Ladder. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Home Telescopic Ladders Scaffolding Ladder Engineering Stairs. Feature, very suitable for household and industrial use. The folding ladder is made of stainless steel material, with a stable structure, durability, and resistance to deformation. Multiple functional purposes, can be used as telescopic ladders, double side ladders, and climbing stairs. It can help you complete tasks such as painting, cleaning windows, garden pruning, and climbing maintenance that require climbing. Free tool. Storage bag, making it more convenient to hold tools, wrench, drill, and hammer. No longer need to worry about getting up and down stairs.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. XMSJ Telescopic Ladders 5-Stage Ladder Folding Ladder. This ladder is made of stainless steel material, with a sturdy structure that is firm and stable, and does not deform under heavy pressure, making it very suitable for various household and industrial purposes. It has multiple functional uses and can be used as a telescopic ladder, folding ladder, twin ladder, herringbone stairs, and staircase ladder, helping you quickly complete tasks such as painting, cleaning windows, garden pruning, or climbing high for repairs. Number 5. Portable Telescopic Multi-Purpose Ladder. This telescopic ladder is professionally made of 6063 aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, lightweight and toughness, which can extend the service life of the folding ladder and improve its carrying capacity. It can carry up to 150 kilograms per 330 pounds. Manufactured to the highest standard, this ladder conforms to EN 131 standards and is CE registered. 2-in-1 use, wide and non-slip pedals, 150 kilograms max capacity loading, lightweight, resistance 6063 aluminum, mechanical locking buttons for simple operation, compact construction for store in the car or at home, ease of portability and storage. The compact size of this sturdy ladder makes it easy to store in your car, garage, toolshed and other places with limited space. Due to its compact size, this ladder can also be carried and easily transported from one job site to another. This ladder is also lightweight. Secure the ladder closed with heavy-duty tape for convenient storage and transport.